Hi, I'm Savannah Patterson, Public Services Librarian here at Union University. This series of tutorials will feature various library resources that you will have access to during the time that you are in the School of Adult and Professional Studies, or SOAPS program. These tutorials will be featured on the SOAPS playlist on the library's YouTube channel. The first tutorial in this series will be on navigating the library's website in order for you to learn how to efficiently navigate the website and find resources. During your time at Union, you may be required to find resources for research assignments. The best way to get to those resources is from the library's website. In this tutorial, we'll explore the library's website in order to learn how to navigate it effectively. Let's start at uu.edu/library. This is the library's homepage. The library's hours are posted on the website so that you'll know when we'll be open. The library's news section is on the right side of the screen and lets you know of special holidays and new information in the library. If you want general information about the library, check out the About section at the top of the screen. Here you'll find a staff directory with the friendly faces and contact information of our library team, as well as maps and directions to our libraries on the Germantown, MCUTS, and Jackson campuses. To ask a library team member a question, use the chat feature. This chat feature allows you to ask your questions and get a quick response. Simply type in your question in the bar where it says "Type here to chat," and someone will respond shortly. The search bar in the middle of the page is where you can search for books, ebooks, and media. The catalog is updated regularly, so it stays up to date on what the library has available. To get more details on how to use the catalog, check out the Using the Library's Catalog tutorial from the link listed below. The library has a wide range of services that it offers its patrons. You can access these services by using the links under the Quick Links box. Such services we offer are research guides, research coach, and interlibrary loans. You can also renew your library materials by clicking on the link on the top. The Databases, eBooks, and Media link contains a list of databases in which to search for articles, ebooks, and other links to media online. Click on the link to see what databases the library has. More information on how to search in a database can be found in our Searching Databases tutorial listed below. The Research Coach service is a service that allows you to meet one-on-one with a librarian to receive help with your research assignments. If you are having trouble getting started, you need help finding more resources, or if you need citation help, then a research coach will help you. Click on the link and follow the steps as shown in the Research Coach tutorial link below to make an appointment. One of the many resources available for you to use are research guides. These guides are designed for every discipline at Union and contain links to databases, websites, and other resources relevant to that discipline. Click on the Research Guides link from the library's homepage and scroll to the guide that you want. A detailed look at the School of Adult and Professional Studies Research Guide is featured on the SOAPS Research Guide tutorial listed below. If you need more help finding something from the library's website, please contact a librarian. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For more tutorials on other library resources, be sure to subscribe to the library's YouTube channel. The next tutorial in this series is titled Using the SOAPS Research Guide.